Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about gold trading and why gold is actually one of the best pairs to trade. Let's start. First of all, gold is trending really well and it has characteristics that are just perfect for swing traders as well. And so I can highly recommend to try gold trading next year if you haven't tried it already. I have some gold trading EAs in my store that are swing and trend trader EAs, so they are not scalpers or day traders or anything like that, because I don't believe day trading can be long-term successful with the short-term trading EAs, because gold is so good with trends and with swing trading as well in the trends. Also, gold trading can be really stable. Of course, it is a highly volatile pair, so I am talking about a long-term trading, like not super long-term trading, not investing, but swing and trend trading style of algorithmic trading. And it can be super stable because it is a safe haven asset, and when there is like a crisis in the world, gold is always the place where investors go and put their money. And of course it is highly volatile, and therefore I don't recommend super long term and super short term trading in gold, but I recommend basic trend and swing trading, meaning like holding a trade for a couple of weeks to a couple months. And it is just my opinion, of course. You know, I always encourage traders to have their own opinions, and you should be always ready to go to war and find out your strengths and weaknesses. There is also a very good reason why I can highly recommend gold trading. As you know, I am a technical trader and I am testing algorithms for thousands and thousands of parameter sets, and forward testing, stress testing, Monte Carlo analysis. And one thing that I recognized is that gold is very good with price action patterns in technical analysis. And most of the time I see that pattern combinations with some confirmation indicators can be very stable with gold trading, and even in like low liquidity markets or like highly volatile markets or high liquidity markets, in any market basically. Therefore, gold is one of the best assets to create custom price action patterns for and algorithms. It is also great to just just diversify with gold trading. Now it is like -5 degrees Celsius, which is not that cold, but my hands are like already a little bit shaking. So I have to cut this video short. But if you want to diversify besides all the forex pairs, I highly recommend to add gold to your portfolio. I hope this video was interesting for you. Ciao.